At Yarbrough Industries, your vision is our passion. If you can dream it, we can build it. Our team of designers, fabricators, technicians, and machinists create whatever you need whenever you need it. It doesn't matter if it's the smallest part or a completely custom machine. We're proud to say we excel at adapting to your needs. With our top-of-the-line tech, we provide our fabrication team with the best equipment to deliver the best results. We're at the cutting edge of technology in laser and water jet cutting, bending and forming, sawing, welding, and finishing. From pre-visualizing the design to tackling that last weld, we work with you every step of the way to make sure we get every detail right. And we don't say that lightly. The relationships we build with our customers last for years because of their trust in our process. Our attention to detail, flawless execution, and thorough communication gives our clients confidence that we're on their team. We don't just want to sell you parts or build your project. We want to see you succeed. We've seen a lot, we've done a lot, and we've loved it all. Check out more of what we do at yarbroughindustries.com and see firsthand why we're the solution you're looking for.